Do you know who or which organization is responsible for the regulations of processed food products in India? The answer is FSSAI, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. Have you ever wondered what makes buttermilk safe and standardized before it reaches you? In this video, we will break down the FSSAI standards and proper labeling rules in a simple way. Let's start. It traditionally refers to a liquid left behind after churning butter out of cream. It's slightly sour and was historically common in many cultures. Today, when we say buttermilk, we usually mean cultured buttermilk, which is made by adding lactic acid bacteria to regular milk. The bacteria ferments the milk sugars lactose, producing lactic acid, which thickens the milk and give it a tangy, sour taste. There are two main types: traditional buttermilk, thin leftover liquid from making butter, and cultured buttermilk, fermented milk commonly sold in stores for cooking, baking, and drinking. According to FSSAI, buttermilk is the product obtained by removing butter from milk or curd. It may be subject to pasteurization. It also can be prepared by souring, means fermentation using lactic acid bacteria, or without fermentation. It may contain added water, milk solids, and salt. Talking about composition requirements, buttermilk should have fat content not more than 1.5% mass by mass, means the maximum amount of fat that it should contain is 1.5%. Then there is milk solid not fat, SNF. It should be around 6% minimum mass by mass. Then there is titrable acidity, minimum it should be 0.8%, and lactic acid for fermented buttermilk. Then there is total solid. There is no specific limit but should comply based on fat plus SNF. Then additives. For additives, only permitted additives as per regulations. And the last but not the least, microbial standards. It should be free from pathogens like Salmonella, Listeria, etc. Let's understand what is SNF. The full form of SNF is solids not fat. In milk and milk products like buttermilk, SNF refers to all the components other than milk, mainly protein like casein and whey protein, lactose, milk sugars, minerals like calcium and potassium, vitamins, mainly water soluble ones like vitamin C or vitamin B. In simple words, SNF is equals to total solids minus milk fats. Whatever is left after the milk fat is reduced is the SNF. It is important measure of the nutritional value of dairy products. Moving on to labeling, under the Food Safety and Standards Packaging and Labeling Regulation 2011 and updates, the product should give the name of the product, mean it should clearly mention buttermilk on the label. If it is flavored or salted, mention it as flavored buttermilk or salted buttermilk. If made with added solids like reconstituted milk solid, it must be declared. Example, pasteurized salted buttermilk or sweetened flavored buttermilk. Second, ingredient list. List all the ingredients in descending order of weight. It must include milk or curd, water if added, salt, sugar, stabilizers, thickeners, flavoring agents, color, preservative if used within the INS number. Example, ingredient water, milk, solid, stabilizer INS 415, natural flavoring substances. Third, declaration regarding additives. If any preservatives, stabilizers, flavors, or color are used, you must name them. Mention their INS, International Numbering System. Fourth, nutritional information. Mandatory on the label except for product exempted like very small pack. It should include energy in calories, proteins in grams, fat in grams, carbohydrate in grams with mentioned sugars separately. Calcium optional but good for dairy. Fifth, date marking. Manufacturing date, example manufacturing date, expiry date, use by or best before date. Since buttermilk is perishable, use by is usually preferred. Sixth, storage instruction clearly mention how the product should be stored, like keeping refrigerated at 4 degrees Celsius or below, consume within 2 days of opening, etc. Seventh, name and address of manufacturer. Full name and address like factory location, where is it located, in which place, which street, etc. FSSAI license number must be printed. 8. Net quantity. Mention the volume or weight of the product. example 200 ml, 500 ml, or anything. Ninth, vegetarian or non-vegetarian symbol. Green dot in green box for vegetarian product or red dot in red box for non-vegetarian product. Buttermilk is a vegetarian product, so for it would be green dot in green box. 10th, batch number, lot number or code number. For traceability and quality control, a batch number or trace number should be allocated to every product so that if a product is like damaged or something is wrong with it, it can be tracked easily and can be shipped from one place to another without any problem. This concludes our overview of FSSAI standards for buttermilk. Understanding food standards helps us make better choices, healthier choices. Keep learning, keep growing. Thanks for being with me till the end. See you in the next video. Also, there is a link in the description box if you want to know more about the FSSAI regulation, the standards, know more about the preservatives or the additives. You can visit the link, and you can also use the link for more knowledge, to gain knowledge, as it contains many short URLs in which you can go and see more information about many other products, like for milk, different types of milk, or for jam, jellies, anything you want to know, it's all listed down there. It's in a government based site and it's very helpful. Thank you.